Hey everyone, welcome to my home and welcome to my channel, A Ginger Can. And today, A Ginger can install a bidet. Or bidet, I guess. I'm not French, I don't know. Why am I installing a bidet? Well, a couple of reasons. One, to cut down on toilet paper usage. And a while ago, the world went nuts. Something happened and people got scared for some reason and they bought all of the toilet paper. It's been months now, about 6 months, and we're finally to the point where normal grocery stores can stock toilet paper again. For the longest time, no one ever had any toilet paper. It was the weirdest thing. Fortunately though, toilet paper doesn't go bad, so whoever bought those thousands and thousands of rolls, you're good for a while. Unfortunately, you probably didn't get them at sale price. Yeah, so as you can see, I've got other projects and that's going to be another video. So I'm going to have Mikey come up and help me with this. It should be a fairly easy process. I mean, it's not very big. This isn't a super expensive model. I didn't want to go nuts with this. Let's open the box and see what we need to install this. Alright, so opening the box, you can see it's not a whole lot to it. We got the hose adapter and oh, it comes with wrenches. That's handy. We've got the actual unit itself. Like I said, it's not anything super fancy. It just sits underneath your toilet seat. Should be fairly simple to install. And instructions. Looking at this is pretty easy to install. You've got your T adapter that goes from the toilet tank to the bidet. This is your water in. This goes to the tank. This goes to the bidet. Comes with a little cute tiny roll of Teflon tape. The hose to go from the tank to the bidet. Also comes with a metal adapter, which I'm going to use because metal. Comes with 2 wrenches, which is super helpful for anyone that doesn't actually own tools. So anyone can do this at home, anyone that's in an apartment. And this is the bidet. Yeah. Oh, 2 years of extended warranty. Plus $5 off my next purchase. I've got an extended warranty, why do I need to buy this again? Let me go get Micah and we'll start going through the instructions. Alright Micah, what do the instructions say?
The party of the first part of the party of the first part.
Wait, what? The party of the first part will be known as the party of the... Read that again?
The party of the first part will be the party of the first part.
That's what I thought you said. Check in the back and look for a sanity clause.
Daddy, it's not December. There's no sanity clause yet.
Step 1. Anytime you're messing with plumbing, shut off the water. I've learned this the hard way. Anytime I think it's a quick fix, it's not. It's really not. So shut off the water. And as I mentioned, this is going under the toilet seat, so you need to remove the toilet seat. Okay, apparently you need to remove the toilet seat screws too, because the screws need to go through these. And there's no fun or easy way to do that. So let me get this installed and we'll be right back. So that didn't take too long. The actual unit's installed. It's a little plasticky, but for the price, I guess it is what it is. It seems to work pretty good. So let's disconnect the water and get the new line run to the bidet. You know, in hindsight, probably should have installed the bypass with the bidet off because now it's in the way. And you want a towel for this because it's going to leak. Just a little bit. Using their wrench doesn't work. Well, that's annoying. The wrench they supply doesn't work with the middle fitting. Fortunately, I have backup. Bypass is installed. Let's connect up the bidet. Their supply line comes with a little wing nut, which is really handy. And their wrench does work on the small side. Alright, everything is hooked up. Fingers crossed. Leak test. Turn the water back on. Seems to work. I'm not sure how to test this without sitting on it. So we'll be back in a minute. I tell you what, that works. This has been a Ginger Can with my helper Micah and my supervisor Ian. Thank you for watching, and today a Ginger can install a bidet with help. For those that didn't get the joke, it's a Marx Brothers thing. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, comment down below. I'll have a link to this down below. It's really easy to install. It took me all of maybe 10 minutes. No leaks. Yay. We'll see how long this lasts. It's a little plasticky feeling. I wasn't super happy about that, but again, for the price, it is what it is. Thanks for watching.
Bye.